How's it going, everyone? Well, this is my newest Leatherface mask. This was made by Jo Nobile of TheMaskGallery and is from the 1974 Texas Chainsaw Massacre movie. It is known as the Killing Mask, and it is made with the same materials as the movie, a mixture of liquid latex and fiberglass. This is the number 3 pull off of Joe's new mold that he is offering now. These new molds are much more movie accurate. And I'm super excited to add this to my collection. I've always been a big fan of Joe's work. I feel that if you're going to own some of the original masks, you have to do it the way they made it with the materials. It really makes it feel like you own the original prop. Alrighty, so to get started on the mask, like I said, this was made with the same materials as the original movie, liquid latex and fiberglass. You mix them together, and this is off Joe's new mold. Came out fantastic. It has all the accurate stitching. Those are real stitching around the mask. It has that wire mesh for the hole in the forehead. Another nice touch that is movie accurate is the string to hold the eyelid up. You see certain shots of Leatherface when they do that up close shot of his face during the movie. You can see that in there. Comes with a string that you can tighten the mask with, the wire holding the mouth open. And the eyelashes and eyebrows. Very accurate wig to the original prop. And he also did a good job with the ears of the mask. Those flaps that simulate the ears. If you guys want to get one of these masks, you can contact Joe through Facebook. I will add his information in the description. He's a really nice guy. Does great work. I highly recommend him. And I've owned several pieces, different masks from him, mostly from the Leatherface stuff, and I've always gotten the same questions. You know, people ask, are these masks fragile? Can you wear them? Well, of course you can wear them. I would say they are more on the fragile side because the mixture of latex and fiberglass, but as long as you're not, you know, running around and pulling on them real hard, you know, they will hold up. But these are much more for display pieces. They're not, you can wear them, but you just got to be careful. Anyways, guys, I'm going to cut away and give you some detailed shots of this mask. As always, thanks for watching.
This hour's top news story. An informant led officers of the Muerto County Sheriff's Department to a cemetery in the small rural Texas community of Butte early this morning. Officers there discovered what appeared to be a grisly work of art, the remains of a badly decomposed body wired to a large monument. A second body was found in a ditch near the perimeter of the cemetery. Subsequent investigation revealed at least a dozen empty crypts, and it's feared more will turn up as the probe continues. Deputies report that in some instances, only parts of a corpse have been removed. The head, or in some cases the extremities, removed, the remainder of the corpse left intact. Evidence indicates the robberies have occurred over a period of time. Sheriff? Jesus Maldonado refused to give details in the ghoulish case and said only that he did have strong evidence linking the crime to elements outside the state. Area residents have reportedly converged on the cemetery, fearing the remains of relatives have been removed. No suspects are in custody as the investigation at the scene continues.